There are two timelines in your creative universe. Timeline 1 is a creative journey where your skills and talents grow and you unlock your full creative potential. Timeline 2 takes you down a darker path to the opposite side of creativity. We are an online resource devoted to artists to become inspired by acquiring new skills with video tutorials, articles, and interviews to enhance creativity. We are creativity from the future.
Creativity from the future.
Quantum computing, projection mapping, compositing, layering.
You chose correctly.
Octane, Cinema 4D, Photoshop, 3D, Blender.
If you're looking to change your creative future, this is your time machine. Join us. This is not my future.
Is there enough money in the budget to finish this? The timeline to your future creative.
Creativity from the future.
Subscribe today.